Asom ni lekhat sana keitil mandi military colony Khosung golnop chu ong thong ding isim som lani tolbol kumsani le som ni legu le salang len tolmuna hungki panding hitai kichep gol se zat chom chom hungki bol ding ho chu
Sal football hichi category tuma ong khom khenin kumsom tuma tha achung lang hoding kumsom tuma tha anoi lang hoding kumsom le thum ti chu class era pat anoi lang hoding azung ong kigo nge
volleyball numei le pasala yang hum ding shooting le cultural event golui la ya pule pate khanga kichep gol se zat chom chom thanop ta ta hoyang hungki bol ding hi
badminton double hi pasala zo ding warwa na zaw ding zo sin dangka sang tuma min khom na inei di hi
kichi gol nok hi khosunga ki ngai lut na ta chu he team to na kichep gol se lama minung ipha zo na diu chule pule pate khanga kichep gol se zat chom chom ho atha be yel do kit na diwa kelthiman bi youth association KYA in angun hi hungun hungzawun. The 21st KTL military colony cultural and sporting event will be held on 12 January 2026 at Upper Ground Salang Lentul. The following events will be organized.
Men's football under 3 categories 30 years and above, 30 years and below, 13 years that is class 8 and below.
Men's and women's volleyball cultural events comprising various traditional games and sports.
Badminton's doubles for men. Registration fees for rupees 3,000.
Men's and women's volleyball cultural events comprising of various traditional games and sports.
Badminton doubles for men and registration fees for rupees 3,000.
This event is organized to promote love, unity, and mutual understanding through games and sports.
All are cordially invited to participate and witness the event.